Xbox parental controls help set gaming boundaries while also giving your child the space they need to play how they want. Here's how to get them set up. You have two options for setting up parental controls, from the console and through the Xbox Family Settings app. To set up parental controls on the console, press the Xbox button on your controller. Select the Profile and System tab, Settings, Account, Family Settings. While you can set up a few things directly from the console, the Xbox Family Settings app is the way to go. You can get access to more features, game insights, and can even add money to your kid's account balance. Start by downloading the app and signing into your Microsoft account. Tap Add Child. Now add an existing account or create a new one. Follow the prompts on screen to complete the setup. Is your kid spending more time gaming than they are on their homework? Try setting up screen time limits. To do this, go to the Family tab in the Xbox Family app. Select your family member's account, then select Screen Time. Under Schedule, adjust the settings to limit screen time by day, time limit, and time range. Limiting games can set boundaries for what games are appropriate for your child. From the Family tab, select a family member. Then select Content Restrictions. Adjust settings by age range to limit access to games, apps, and other content. Avoid unwanted bank charges by getting a handle on your child's spending settings. From the Family tab, select a family member, then select Spending. Here you can turn on Ask to Buy to limit purchases or add money to your child's account. Keep tabs on who your child plays with or talks to online. From the Family tab, select a family member. Tap the gear icon in the top right, then select Social. Here you can adjust settings to limit friends and manage online communications. For professional help fixing and caring for your tech, visit Asurion.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.